Ndewo. Taa anyị ga-amụ pronouns in Igbo. Pronouns. We'll be learning pronouns in Igbo. Pronouns. Ngwa ka anyị bido. Just pụtara I in Igbo. Is a pronoun that means I in Igbo. So you can say Mbo onye nkuzi, Mbo onye nkuzi, or Abom onye nkuzi. Mbo means I am a teacher. Mbo is I am a teacher. Onye nkuzi means a teacher, or Abom onye nkuzi. Both sentences can be used interchangeably. Mbo onye nkuzi, Abom onye nkuzi. Then Mbo nwa akwụkwọ, Mbo nwa akwụkwọ, I am a student. Mbo nwa akwụkwọ, I am a student. So the pronoun in Igbo means I. Ngwa kwuo ya.
Anyị pụtara the first person plural pronoun we. It can also be us. Is either both subject and object pronoun, we or us. Anyị pụtara we or us. So you can say nye anyị ego, give us money, give us money. Okay, you can also say anyị bụ ụmụnne, anyị bụ ụmụnne. We are siblings, we are siblings. Ụmụ in Igbo is children, nne is mother. So ụmụnne pụtara siblings. So you say anyị bụ ụmụnne, we are siblings. You can also say ha kpọrọ anyị, ha kpọrọ anyị. Ha is the third person plural pronoun they. It can also mean them as well. Okay, so it's either both subjects and object pronoun they or them. Ha kpọrọ anyị, ha kpọrọ anyị. They called us. Kpọrọ means called. Kpọrọ means called. So you can say ha kpọrọ anyị, ha kpọrọ anyị, nye anyị ego, anyị bụ ụmụnne. Ngwa kwuo ya.
I in Igbo pụtara you. I pụtara you. Ịbụ nne m means you are my mother. Nne m means my mother. Ịbụ means you are. So the pronoun I means you in Igbo. Ịbụ nne m means you are my mother. Ịbụ nna m means you are my father. Nna m means my father. Ngwa kwuo ya. Gị is a pronoun in Igbo that means your, the singular your. For example, you can say enyi gị amaka, enyi gị amaka. Enyi gị amaka means your friend is fine. Enyi means friend. Gị means your. Amaka means it's fine, it's fine. Or you can also say ọ bụ nne gị, ọ bụ nne gị, ọ bụ nne gị, ọ bụ nne gị. She is your mother. Ọ bụ nne gị, she is your mother. Ọ means he or she or it. Bo is it. Nne is mother. Gị is your. Ọ bụ nne gị, she is your mother. Okay, you can also say nke a bụ ụlọ gị. Nke a bụ ụlọ gị. Nke a bụ ụlọ gị means this is your house. This is your house. Nke a bụ ụlọ gị. This is your house. Nke a means this. Bo is ụlọ house. Gị means your. You can also say ha bụ akwụkwọ gị. Ha bụ akwụkwọ gị. Ha bụ akwụkwọ gị. Ha means they is the pronoun they. Ha bụ they. Ha means they. Bo are. Okay, akwụkwọ means books. Gị means your. So you say nke a or ha bụ akwụkwọ gị. Ha bụ akwụkwọ gị. Ngwa kwuo ya.
Unu bụ second person plural pronoun you in Igbo. You. The singular is I. Ị chọrọ ego, you want money. Okay, but here unu bụ ụmụnne, you are all siblings or you are siblings. Unu amaka, You are all beautiful. You are all handsome. You are all fine. Unu na-enwe ọṅụ. Unu na-enwe ọṅụ. Unu na-enwe ọṅụ. It means you are having fun or you are all happy. Okay, so unu means you, plural. Okay, the second person plural pronoun you. In Igbo, it becomes unu. Unu bụ ụmụnne. Unu amaka. Unu na-enwe ego. Unu amaka. Amaka means very fine. Unu na-enwe ọṅụ. Unu na-enwe ọṅụ. You are all happy. You are all having fun, and so on. O in Igbo means he, she, or it. O is a pronoun he, she, or it. So you say ọ bụ onye uwe ojii. Ọ bụ onye uwe ojii. Ọ bụ onye uwe ojii means he is a policeman. He is a policeman. Onye means person. Onye means person. Uwe means cloth. Ojii means black. So obo means he is. Bo means is. Obo onye uwe ojii. Obo onye uwe ojii. So o in Igbo means he, she, or it. You can also say obo nkem. Obo nkem meaning it is mine. It is mine. Ngwa kwuo ya. Ya in Igbo pụtara him, her, or it. Ya is the object pronoun for he, she, or it. You can say nye ya ego. Nye ya ego. Nye ya ego means give him or her money. Nye is give. Ya is him or her. Ego is money. You can also say nara ya ego. Nara ya ego. Nara means collect money from him or her. Nara means to collect. Ya means him or her. Ego is money. Some dialects say nalo ya ego. Nalo ya ego. You can also say were ya. Were ya means take it. Take it. Were means take. Ya means it. So were ya. Some dialect also says welu ya. Welu ya. Welu ya. Ngwa kwuo ya. Oge ajụjụ eruo. Time for question. Ajụjụ pụtara questions. Okay, so tinye mkpụrụ okwu nnọchiaha ndị a ka ahịrịokwu a zuo oke. Tinye mkpụrụ okwu nnọchiaha ndị a ka ahịrịokwu a zuo oke means put these pronouns to complete these sentences. Put these pronouns to complete these sentences. So tinye pụtara put. Mkpụrụ okwu nnọchiaha means pronouns. Ndị a means these pronouns, okay? Mkpụrụ okwu nnọchiaha ndị a means these pronouns. Ka ahịrịokwu a zuo oke. Ahịrịokwu means sentences. Zuo oke means to be what? Complete. Ngwa ka ibido. Ajụjụ nke izizi bụ, the first question is, ajụjụ nke izizi bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. Bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. Bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ means are students. Are students. Which pronoun in Igbo can we use to complete that sentence? Ajụjụ nke abụọ pụtara aha bụ Ike. Aha bụ Ike. Aha bụ Ike means name is Ike. Which pronoun can we also use in Igbo to complete this sentence? Ajụjụ nke abụọ pụtara na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Na-eje ụlọ akwụkwọ or na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Some dialects say na-eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Going to school. Going to school. Which pronoun in Igbo can we use to complete ahịrịokwu a? Na-aga. Ajụjụ nke atọ bụ ụmụnne. Bụ ụmụnne. Bụ ụmụnne means our siblings. Our siblings. Kedu mkpụrụ okwu anyị ga-eji wee mezuo ahịrịokwu a? Which pronoun can we use to complete this sentence?
Ajụjụ nke anọ bụ na-agba ọsọ. Na-agba ọsọ is running. So which pronoun can we use to complete this sentence? Na-agba ọsọ.